Alright, we'll go to math.com, click on calculus, and 18-3. Yes, that's what we want to look at. Whoa, we got a log function in here. It says find the derivative. We got y is equal to the log of 12x. So can we remember that? Y is equal to the log of 12x. Well, we've been working with natural log. Now, here's a a refresher. The difference between these two right here. What is their difference? Well, it's actually pretty simple. I didn't leave much room here. It's all about this guy right here, which is not written in here. So if it's not written, it's assumed to be a 10 right here. Well, if I were to write log with a base e of x, we don't write that. And instead of putting an e, we don't put an e here for log. Instead of, we do this shorthand notation and say natural log. We just say ln. So these two are equal, okay? But we don't write log with base e right here. We just write natural log, okay? The natural log of x, which implies this right here. So if I don't write anything in here, as you can see, then it's assumed to be base 10. Okay, there's a 10 right here, but we don't write it. All right, so let's keep that in mind. Okay, keep that in mind. Now we do the exact same thing. We do the exact same thing as we did for the natural log. Okay, is we take the derivative of this, and the derivative is 12, and then we rewrite. But guess what? We write something right here, and you know what it is? It's the natural log of 10. In other words, it's whatever this base is, we write right here, the natural log of whatever the base. And of course, if we don't write anything, then it's assumed to be a 10 there. Okay. But here's the deal on this particular one. We're going to cancel the 12s out, and we're left with 1 over x times the natural log of 10. Now you're asking, well, we didn't do that for this natural log function, and the reason for that is, let's say for example, we're taking the derivative of this guy. Of course, remember this notation, don't forget it. This means take the derivative. So the derivative of x is 1, we rewrite x, but then I rewrite the natural log of what? What did I say this base is? The base is e right here, but we don't write it. But what is the natural log of e? It's just 1. So we end up with x. So that's the reason we don't even write this here when we take the derivative of the natural log function. But the derivative of the log function, we're going to end up writing the natural log of whatever the base happens to be. This particular one is 10. Did you get all that? I hope so. There it is, 1 over x times the natural log of 10. Okay. I hope you got it, and I'm not sure what's going on here. Da 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 da. Yeah, well, okay, that's the general. The general. Do you know the general? Home, go to math. Do it. Do it now. See you there. Bye.